Hello everyone, it's Victor here once again and welcome to Victor's Tiny Kitchen where we cook Filipino favorites and more. And for today's episode, I'm going to show you the easy and simple way to cook a crispy and delicious deep fried calamari. You know, this dish is another one of those favorites of mine, and as a matter of fact, whenever I go eat at Italian, Greek or any Canadian restaurant that has this on their menu, I never fail to order it. I'm just so stoked on it. It's so delicious and so addicting to me. And I've been wanting to recreate this dish in my channel, and finally it is happening today, which is great. So let's get started. So here are the ingredients. I have here a kilo of wild-caught California squids. I have already cleaned it up, skinned it, and removed all the guts, as well as cut it into half-inch sizes. I have 1 lemon. We're going to use the juice and the zest of this one later on. Of course, I'm going to be using salt. I'm going to be using 1.5 cups here of all-purpose flour, about 1 cup here of corn flour. I have 2 eggs here, and I have finely chopped onion, about half of the onion, and then I have about 1 tablespoon here of dried parsley, 1 tablespoon here of garlic powder, about 1 tablespoon as well here of Spanish paprika, and then of course we're going to use pepper. And the next thing that we need to do now is to make our batter. And I have a big bowl here where we will combine everything to make our batter, and I'm going to show that to you. So the first thing is we will put in our all-purpose flour here, and then the corn flour, and the baking soda here, which I forgot to mention, it is about 1/4 cup. And now we're going to extract the juice of this lemon here. And by the way, before I would use this lemon here, I'm going to zest it first. Now zesting is done. Now juicing is done. Then we're going to add our lemon juice here. Just try not to include the pits or the seeds. And then now we're going to add a little bit of our parsley here. Half of our parsley. And then half of our garlic powder. Half of the paprika, and then we're going to add our eggs. Wash my hands. And then salt. And pepper to taste. And I'm going to use this cold water here, and I have my whisk here, so we'll now start mixing our batter. So we'll just keep on beating it until we get that double cream consistency. But make sure that your water is cold. So I'm going to carry on with this, and once this is done, we're going to be right back. Now this is the double cream consistency that we're looking for. So this is done. The next step for us to do here is to create our dredging mixture. So I have here about 1/4 cup of all-purpose flour, and then I'm going to add about 1 cup here of this mixture of all-purpose flour and corn flour that I have seasoned, and into this I'm going to add my dried parsley here, the rest of the garlic powder, the rest of the smoked paprika, and then the zest of our lemon. This is already seasoned, but I'm going to add a little bit more of my ground pepper here. done. And now what I'm going to do is to mix this with my spoon here. I'm going to add a little bit of this panko breadcrumbs, about 1/2 cup. So this is done, and now we're ready to fry up our calamari. Hi guys, we're back here and ready to fry up our squid here to make our calamari. Our saucepan here is ready. My oil is nice and hot, and I've set it at 375 degrees Fahrenheit. So we're ready now to do our first batch. So I'm going to dredge it first on this flour mixture and then dip it into our batter here. And then drop it into this hot oil. And we're going to fry it for 2 to 3 minutes. Hi guys, we're back here and our deep fried calamari is now cooked, and now I'm ready to taste it. I'm so excited. It's really delicious. It's crispy on the outside and tender and juicy in the inside. It's very addicting. So I hope you guys enjoyed watching this video today. And for more recipes and cooking videos, please don't forget to visit my website at www.victorstinyKitchen.com at the bottom here. And in case you haven't yet, please don't forget to click on the subscribe button here and share my video as well as watch my other videos on my cooking channel. Again, thank you very much for watching today and see you on my next one. Bye for now.